That's it, time to pull the floor up. I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling this floor up with the vice grips, anything I can to kind of get some good grip on it. Okay, spend a few minutes with the scraper and also with some vice grips. It's a tough go with that, it's slow going, but what I have is this, the razor blade on it. Try and pull it right that way. Just kind of slide it without digging into the wood. Yeah, this is going to work better. I would plan on keeping that tub too, so metal, and so I'm just being real careful. Even though it's metal, being real careful not to slam this thing, screw up that tub. So I'm taking it real easy around this edge here. All right, there we go. Now it's time to pull that thing out.